Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your ad preferences on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, that's the second option, and now click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this arrow at the top in the left side, scroll down till you find this privacy and safety section. Scroll down till you find the data sharing and personalization section and click on the first option, ads preferences. Here you can turn on this personalized ads function, meaning that you will always see ads on Twitter based on your Twitter activity. When this setting is enabled, Twitter may further personalize ads from Twitter advertisers on and off Twitter by combining your Twitter activity with other online activity and information from our partners. Tap on this button if you want to turn it on, and if you click on the See Your Twitter Data button, you will be able to browse among your data. As you can see, there is a account history, interest and ads data function, and here you can proceed with this interest and ads data section if you are interested in it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.